Okay, so this is the big fiddle song, Bear Creek Hop. All right, I'm going to break this into two parts, the A part and the B part. So we're going to do the A part first. Look at the very beginning of this. It looks just like that triplet roll up. Okay, so remember we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and then we have a pickup measure, which is on beat 4, and that's divided into 3. It's a triplet. So it's going to be an up bow. Bear Creek Hop starts up bow. Okay, here we go. Listen to how this goes. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Okay, so that takes us to the end of the A section. The A section repeats twice. Okay, if you look at the end of the A section, there's a first ending and a second ending. If you look at the end of the first ending, notice how we have that triplet roll up. And that is the pickup measure that we start the song with. We get it as a pickup measure, and then we get it in the fourth beat of the first ending. And that takes us back to the beginning. Okay, you see the two little dots? That's the repeat sign. And it goes back up to the top, and you see the other two dots. And that's the repeat sign that you go back to. And you see the section letter there, and it's squared off. It says A, not the guitar chords. There are guitar chords. They're in bold letters, and they're big, and they say A and E7 and B minor and A and E7, and those are the chords to this song. That's the chords that I'd strum on guitar, okay, when we're playing this. Okay, so that's the A section. It repeats twice. Play the first time, play the first ending, repeat, play all the same music again, but this time skip the first ending and go straight to the second ending, and you'll notice that there's a rest, okay? The rest is really, really important because it gives us one beat to look at the next measure to see what we have to do in the B section. And what do we have to do? We have a left hand pizz followed by a double stop bow. And so that's an open E and an open A. So that goes like this. Here, listen to the B section. And watch your bowings in the B section. It's very important. Look in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the sixth measure on beat 2. It's very important that you start up bow. Okay, that's a big mistake. If you start that up bow, you're going to be all backwards for the B minor measure and the turnaround in measure 1. Okay, so here's the B section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Up bow, down bow, up bow, B minor, back to A. And you see at the very, very end, after the second ending, it says 2A. All right. So the way that Bear Creek Hop goes is we would play 2 A's, first ending, second ending, and then we go on the B section. And we play the B section first ending, second ending, and then we'll go back to the A and we'll play A to the second ending, B to the coda. Okay, now look at the first measure, not the first measure, I'm sorry. Look at the first ending in the B section. It looks like a circle and then it's got like a plus sign. That's the coda. So when you get to the B section, the last time, you get to the first ending and you would take the coda and the song would be over. And that's how you play Bear Creek Hop. So we call that A, B, B, A, B coda. And that's the whole form of the song. Okay? We'll work on this in the studio. This is a big song at this point in the book. It requires you to do everything that you've learned. Up bows, down bows, slurs, left hand picks, first endings, second endings, repeats, coda. There's all sorts of new stuff. We have to be able to play almost an entire scale from almost the entire A scale up and down. We're playing on both strings, so it takes a lot of concentration, a lot of practice. We'll work on this one in the studio, okay? And I'll see you soon.